So you want to know how to make money on YouTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can monetize your channel. What's going on YouTube? Spiro Kovac here, back with another video. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to qualify for YouTube Partner Program, what are minimal requirements, and how to make sure you comply with all YouTube rules. Now, if you're brand new to my channel and you want to learn how to make money online, quit 9 to 5 and become an online entrepreneur, subscribe and hit the notification bell right now. A lot of things has changed in YouTube policies over the last few years, and it's getting tougher and tougher to keep up with all these rules. But don't worry, I'm here to make it simple for you. Just follow these 4 steps to avoid any pitfalls. Step number 1, get an audience. YouTube wants us to think of the viewers first. So to earn money on YouTube, you'll have to create an engaging content and build an audience, subscribers who really like your content. Step number 2 is sign up for YouTube Partner Program. To qualify for YouTube Partner Program, you first have to sign up for Adsense account and then apply for Partner Program Review. To qualify for review, your channel needs at least 4,000 watch hours in previous 12 months and minimum of 1,000 subscribers. Once you have all minimum requirements and you apply for review, it usually takes around 1 month to get reviewed. Meanwhile, it's very important to stay active on your channel and keep engaging with your audience, because YouTube is now trying to protect YouTube creators community from spammers and other bad actors. Step number 3, community guidelines. I recommend you to take 15 or 20 minutes to read through the copyright rules and community guidelines to avoid any violation that can eventually get your videos demonetized. I'll definitely leave links below in description, and you please make sure to take your time to read it. It's probably the most valuable exercise you will go through when you're setting up your channel. Step number 4, monetization. Did you know that there are 5 different ways to monetize your channel once you're in a YouTube Partner Program? First, Google Ads. There are different types of ads formats. So we have display ads, overlay ads, skippable and non-skippable video ads, bumper ads, which are actually non-skippable up to 6 seconds ads, and sponsored cards. Second way to monetize is through channel memberships. Channel memberships option is available only for well-established channels. What does it mean? It means that your channel needs to meet certain criteria. First criteria is that it has no active strikes. Second criteria that the channel owner is at least 18 years old. And a third main criteria is that your channel has at least 30,000 subscribers. Third way to monetize a channel is through merchandising. So how does it work? Since June 2018 update, YouTube allows us to display our merchandise right under our videos. So now we are able to sell t-shirts, phone cases, coffee mugs, as long as we use one of approved merchandises. And I'll make sure to leave link below in description so you can check which merchandises are approved. Fourth way to monetize your channel is through Super Chat. Super Chat is an amazing improvement on YouTube. It's actually a live chat feature that allows viewers to have their message highlighted to the streamer by giving them a donation. And at the moment, this is feature mostly used by game streamers. To qualify, you have to be a part of YouTube Partner Program, be at least 18 years old, have no strikes on account, and that live chat feature is available in your country. Fifth and final way to monetize your YouTube channel is with the brands. It's an opportunity for you to introduce products and services to your audience. So it's even more important that you have a strong following and very engaged audience. Cool guys, now you know requirements to make money on YouTube channel using YouTube Partner Program. So if this was useful for you guys, I want you to do me one more favor, because I'm working really hard to create all this great content for you. So please share this video with everyone you believe it would be helpful to. Share it on your social media, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you again.